Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and product reviews. Today we are here with an Arteza marker review. I think it's Arteza, might be Arteza. Not sure, let me know how you say it in the comments. Don't forget, we have an exclusive 10% off coupon code, so you can get any of these markers and brushes at 10% off. Just use our links and exclusive coupon code down in the description. You guys, I've never liked alcohol-colored markers until now. Say hello to the Everblend Art Marker set of 120. Now, we've been using these in lives and love them, so make sure to check out our lives because we're just unboxing them here, but we've been using them a lot. They come in vibrant designs. Twin tip pens are perfect for illustrating, sketching, coloring, crafting, and more. They create fine detailed lines with the 0.11 tip, or flip the marker over and develop thick bold lines with the 0.24 chisel tip. Combine and correct, it includes a clear blender marker to smoothly combine colors and correct mistakes. They're easy to grip with the triangle shape, allowing you to create stunning artwork with comfort and precision, and they are an alcohol-based ink that is certified non-toxic and safe for all artists, and they come in this amazing travel kit. Once again, this is 120 different colors, so imagine all of the color possibilities you can create by combining them. Here's a quick sketch showing you the difference in colors using both ends of the marker. Look at some of the creations found on the Arteza website. Absolutely stunning. I purchased the Sketch Twi markers dual tip. It was the set of 100. I never used these, but they really do have endless color combinations because they're blendable. They are a water-based ink, so you have 100 water-based ink colors. But what I liked about them is they were perfect for calligraphy, hand lettering, doodling, note-taking, because one end has a brush type marker where the other has almost a gel pen consistency. These twin tip markers are lightweight, durable, and ideal for creating on the go. They are dual tips, so you can make that fine detail or flip the marker over to develop thicker lines. So I absolutely love this for coloring some of my stamps. On some stamps, the areas are so detailed, it was hard for me to get a typical marker in there, so these were perfect because the colors matched perfectly on the brush versus the pen end. So I highly recommend these if you have very detailed stamp sets. They're great for kids and I'm pretty impressed with them. Now on to the first item I ever bought for Arteza was the Real Brush pens. I'd always used Kritaki's Zig Real Brush and I fell in love with them. So when I saw the price of just $83, my expectations were low on this pen set, but boy, did they deliver. Now this is the Create on the Go, so it is a bundle that includes 96 Real Brush pens and an organizer case with 108 slots. These are Real Brush pens, so no need for messy water, no water cups, just create true watercolor effects with water-based ink and a flexible nylon brush tip that feels just like painting. They're non-toxic, water-based inks, and they're certified for all ages. Once again, 108 pens and the adjustable padded strap. I was shocked on the quality and price of these markers. These are my go-to Real Brush markers now, and I use them all the time in my videos and my lives. I highly recommend these if you've ever looked at the Kritaki Zig Real Brush markers that are much more expensive. Take a peek at these, and you can use my 10% off coupon. The next item I purchased was the fine liner pens. These come with 102 quick drawing pens. Draw with colors that won't bleed or smudge onto your paper, desk, or handles. You can create in comfort. Their ergonomical triangular barrel makes a great fit for both right and left hand artists. You can fill in the finest detail using a sturdy metal encased tip, and it comes with its own tin to keep pens organized, making a breeze to find the right color. I didn't really know what these pens were used for when I first got them. I thought this was just a fancy gel pen or a fancy fine liner pen set. However, once I researched it, I realized there are what are called basically line artists out there that make a whole bunch of lines. And then when these lines are combined with other colors, they form objects. So from far away, it looks like a piece of artwork, when in all reality, it was just a whole bunch of sketched lines. Once I started looking into videos on this and saw what people were creating with these pens, my mind was blown. So I look forward to trying to recreate these in the future. I was hoping to find some watercolor pencils on the Arteza site, and the only thing I could find was the woodless watercolor pencils. Now, these offer 5 times the coverage of traditional watercolor pencils. They're rich and vibrant, dense pigment for sharp lines and bright effects. They are break resistant, coated in lacquer to minimize rubbing and durability. I do not believe they are break resistant. I have broken all of mine, unfortunately. So you won't break them by trying to use the pencils, but if you accidentally drop them, they will break. However, you can use dry or add water and they pop on watercolor paper, as you can see here. So I truly like them. I wish there was more colors and they didn't break when I dropped them. But overall, for the cost of just $24 for 24 pencils, it's not a bad price, and I do like the results. I do use them in conjunction with the water brush pen. It's a set of 6. It includes 3 fine tip and 3 broad tip water brush pens that hold their shape and produce perfect strokes. Now, it has a precise water flow. I really like this point. It's got an innovative rubber push button grip that provides maximum comfort and water flow control. So as you push it, the water comes out. It's easily portable and self-moisten for use with all water-based media. You can put it in your storage pen with the Real Brush markers. They fit perfectly in there. Large capacity barrel, so the brush pens are perfect for watercolor designs, using with your stamps, hand lettering, and face painting. I love these. I've looked high and low for perfect water brush pens that have a very nice stroke to them and offer the detailed and the broad option. So I was really happy with this purchase, and at $14, not bad. Well, this was a quick look for our lives where we'll be using more of these products. If you're interested in saving 10% off, use our links down below with our exclusive coupon code. Thanks everyone. Bye.